Hey guys, Running Kimono here, and I know a lot of you were quite disappointed in Sunday's video where you were like, I didn't load that Dollar General 2 off of 6 Jello coupon, like this is a travesty. This little gem appeared this morning, and so load it right away so you can still get in on the deal. This is valid till January 28th of 2021, so load it. You can do the deal this week with this exactly as instructed. And if you're clueless to what I'm talking about, I made a video on Sunday night where these boxes of the Jello no-bake cheesecake are $1 each with that coupon and the store promotion this week. So load that right away. The rumor is sometimes in November they have a BOGO free on this specific product. So anyway you shake it, it's going to be some savings if you get it now or if you wait till November if they might have the BOGO free sale. So that is quite amazing. Also, looking at the math with this TearPad coupon, I found this specifically at a Meijer grocery store. I understand that they also have a very similar one at a Publix. Grabbing 4 of these Jello cheesecakes, just to jog you through the math again, that's $6 on the nose. Subtracting the 2 off a $6 general coupon, so it's either the one from October or the new one that showed up today, that's $2 off. Plus you'll present 2 of these $1 off 2 TearPad coupons, subtracting another $2. You will end up paying $2 for the 4 or 50 cents per box of cheesecake. OMG, what a great little deal. So guys, load that coupon and then look for this if you have a Publix or a Meijer. Some very deep savings on these cheesecakes. And I also made a video yesterday, in case you missed it, where there's a $1 coupon on the Scott's toilet paper, pairing it with a $3 bag or a $5 bag. There's a little bit of room here for some very inexpensive toilet paper. So if you want to check that out as well, it will also be linked at the very end. I think this is certainly an item that you should be stocking up either way. You know, it's just a really great product to have on hand. And also, if you could please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up, it really helps out with the channel. Now, just a couple of rules for you before we do a deep dive in today's video, which is gain. We have this 5 off of 30 plus the 5 off of 25. On Saturday only is the 5 off of 25. These typically stack together, giving you $10 of savings on a $30 gain basket, which is just like magic. So if you might have not used your 5 off of 30, it's valid till November the 7th. Obviously, the 31st is the biggest savings where you have the double stack. If you want to do these deals before Saturday, it will be an extra $5. Pay attention. Bring a pad of paper and pen to the store when you're there, just so you could take a couple notes so your numbers can be spot on. Use the Dollar General app and scan to make sure that that 5 off of 30 is attaching along with digital manufacturers. Any issues that you might run into, you can always void your transactions. And just start from scratch. And if you don't know how to use the Dollar General app, I will also leave this video at the very end. It's just a very quick tutorial on how to scan items and how to have the greatest amount of success in store. This is a very powerful tool on their app, and their app is quite good. So check it out if you have no idea what I'm talking about. Okay guys, so the first deal that we're going to talk about is 100% digital. We need our 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 25, along with his big sister, which is the 5 off of 30 for gain. And we're specifically looking for gain products for this scenario. So if you looked into the ad, this is magically appearing this week, which is some of these larger gain products. Fabric or the detergent, so you'll have to get one of each for $6.95. Now, a very generous $2 coupon showed up on Sunday morning. I believe it's still loadable today. So load both of those, and we're going to be grabbing one of each. And just to give you a quick visual, this is what the digitals look like. So you're going to need 1 fabric enhancer product and 1 detergent product. It is your choice, but remember to use the app to scan, because sometimes some of the scents like moonlight mist or whatever, it might not attach, and you really want everything to attach perfectly for you. Now we're going to grab something called Double Trouble. A double pack of the Febreze with gain has to have the word gain on the bottle. These guys are $5, and we have some digital coupons. We have $1 off plus a 3 off of 2 that are in fact attaching with this product. And you know how I'm like, you got to make sure that it's attaching to the bowl. see how you have the 5 off of 30 and then the dollar one and then the $3 one for those packs when you scan it in store? Boom, that's what you're looking for to make sure that the stack is happening. And then we're also going to grab one of these little $2 dish soaps. They have a whole bunch of different scents again. Can't stress it enough to scan it to make sure that that 5 off of 30 at the very least is attaching. We do not have a manufacturer though for this product. So looking at the math, guys, we have 1 Gain detergent for $6.95, 1 Gain fabric enhancer product for $6.95, 3 Febreze with the Gain scent double packs for $5 a pop, so that's $15. 1 Gain dish soap for 2. So the total for all of this is $30.90. After the cashier scans the last item, you punch in your phone number on the keypad. The 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 are coming off. And again, we're doing this on a Saturday, just to preface that, along with $8 of digital manufacturer coupons. You're left with paying $12.90 out of pocket for the 6 products, essentially shaking out each product to $2.15 each. This is a whole host of product and a little something called winning. Okay, so deal number 2 is with paper coupons, and we're going to need the 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 30. So hopefully you have this guy loaded to your store card, along with the 5 off of 25. So this will be a Saturday deal because I want to incorporate this Dollar General store coupon. So for this basket, we're going to be grabbing 3 of these, which are the double packs of the Febreze with Gain. They're $5 a pop, so 3 of them. And then we're also going to make sure that the coupons are attaching, and we need these 2 loaded to our store card. And then we're also going to grab 5 of these $3 Febreze Air with the Gain scent. So see, there's a whole bunch of them. You're going to have to make sure that with your Dollar General app, that 5 off of 30 is attaching to at least one of them. In the November P&G, we have this buy one, get one free. It's either on the Febreze or the Febreze Light. This is a Febreze product, thus it'll work. If you look in the coupon, it has the word or, so please don't come for me in the comments saying that you need to buy both the Febreze and the Febreze Light Max. It's 2 different products and it has the word or, so you can buy either or. That is how the coupon reads. Now, this is for more experienced shoppers, this deal, because we're grabbing 5 of these. And what you're going to have to do at checkout, guys, is scan 2 of these sprays, present a coupon, 2 of these sprays, present a coupon. Because the cash registers will choke on the second one if you hand them all at the end, you have to do them in that chronology. If your store is super strict or will not do that sort of scan where you present to give a coupon, you'll have to pass on this deal. But if you don't do it this way, only 1 coupon will scan because it will choke on the second one. Okay, so looking at the math for this one, we're grabbing 3 Gain, the double packs at $5 a pop. That's $15 on the nose. And then 5 of those $3 cans Febreze with Gain. So that's also $15. 3 times 5 is 15. The total for all of this is 30 on the nose. Remember how I was saying present 2 of the single cans in a coupon? You will have to do that jog at checkout. And then that'll subtract $6 of manufacturer coupons from your November P&G. After your last paper coupon is scanned, that's when you will punch in your phone number. 5 off of 25, 5 off of 30 Dollar General coupons are coming off, along with the $4 of digitals that I showed you, the 3 off of 2 and the dollar. You're left with paying 10 out of pocket, shaking out each Febreze to $1.25 for each. This is not a bad deal, especially if you want to get some of these sprays. I mean, it's just a fantastic one. Okay, and deal number 3 again is with paper coupons. We're going to need our 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 30, along with its counterpart, which is the 5 off of 25. So for this specific deal, I'm suggesting that you do it on Saturday to get the max savings. We're going to be grabbing one of these really big Gain Flings. It is the 51 count for $13.50. So grabbing one of these. And then if you might have gotten this one from the Retail Me Not of October the 4th, it's a $3 off of one of these really large Gain Flings. And that is the insert Retail Me Not of October the 4th. And then we're also going to grab one of each, a detergent and a fabric enhancer for $6.95. And on Sunday, a $2 digital showed up for both of them. So here they are. Please make sure you have both of these guys loaded for this deal. And the final item that we're going to grab is 1 can of the Febreze air spray for $3 on the nose. And then we have this wonderful dollar coupon that's attaching to this product. Okay, guys, so looking at the math here, 1 Gain Fling 51 count is $13.50, 1 Gain detergent is $6.95, 1 Gain fabric softener product is $6.95, and then 1 Febreze with the Gain Scent spray is $3. The total for this basket is $30.40. You will present your $3 coupon from the Retail Me Not of October the 4th. After the cashier scans the paper coupon, that's when you will punch in your phone number. 5 off of 25, 5 off of $30 general coupons are coming off, along with $5 of digital manufacturers. The two $2 coupons for the detergent and fabric, and the $1 for the Febreze Gain spray. You're left with paying $12.40 out of pocket for the 4 items, basically shaking it out to $3.10 each. Not too shabby. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.